Using an Afterpay card online is a convenient way to shop now and pay later. To get started, you need to have an Afterpay account and an Afterpay card. If you don't have an Afterpay account, you can sign up on the Afterpay website or through the Afterpay app. Once you have an account, you can apply for an Afterpay card, which is a digital card that can be used for online shopping. To use your Afterpay card online, start by selecting the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. When you are ready to check out, look for the Afterpay option as a payment method. Some online stores may have Afterpay as a payment option at checkout, while others may not. If the store does not have Afterpay as an option, you can still use your Afterpay card by selecting the credit or debit card option and entering your Afterpay card details. When you select Afterpay as your payment method, you will be redirected to the Afterpay website to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you will see the payment amount and the payment schedule. The payment schedule will show you how much you need to pay and when the payments are due. You can then confirm the payment and complete the purchase. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. You can set up automatic payments or make manual payments through the Afterpay app or website. You can also track your payment schedule and see your upcoming payments in the Afterpay app. Best practices for using an Afterpay card online include making timely payments, keeping track of your spending, and only buying what you can afford to pay back. It is also crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of your Afterpay account, including the interest rates and fees. In conclusion, using an Afterpay card online is a simple and convenient way to shop now and pay later. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Afterpay card online with confidence and avoid any potential issues. Remember to always make your payments on time and keep track of your spending to get the most out of your Afterpay card.